The world of industrial robotics is on the edge of transformation. Labor shortages, rising demand, and the pursuit of precision and efficiency have pushed industries to explore solutions that go far beyond traditional automation. Enter AEON, Hexagon's groundbreaking industrial humanoid robot. AEON isn't just another mechanical worker, it's a fusion of high-performance robotics, artificial intelligence, and digital twin technology. Created in partnership with tech giants like NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Hexagon, AEON is designed to tackle the most complex and dynamic environments in manufacturing, logistics, aerospace, and beyond. AEON's origin story. Hexagon, a global leader in precision measurement and digital reality solutions, saw a looming problem. Millions of industrial jobs were going unfilled. These aren't just desk jobs, they are mission-critical roles on factory floors and in warehouses. In response, Hexagon decided to build a robot that wasn't just smart, but one that could move, think, and work like a human. AEON was born from this vision. To bring this ambitious idea to life, Hexagon formed strategic partnerships. NVIDIA provided the AI supercomputing and simulation backbone. Microsoft offered cloud-based infrastructure to train and scale AEON's intelligence. And Hexagon supplied advanced actuators to make AEON's movements smooth, agile, and human-like. The result? A humanoid platform that can learn, adapt, and perform with surgical precision. What AEON can actually do? AEON's most impressive feature is its agility. It moves fluidly in any direction and has hands capable of fine motor control, letting it manipulate delicate or irregular components. Whether it's weaving through a cluttered warehouse or assembling intricate parts, AEON performs with a level of dexterity that rivals, if not surpasses, human workers. But AEON isn't a one-trick robot. It's built to be versatile. It can sort packages, inspect components for defects, capture entire environments in 3D, and even step in to assist or replace humans in repetitive or hazardous roles. Every one of these skills is native to AEON. No bolt-on modules or external sensors required. AEON's real-time spatial awareness is another game-changer. Using a suite of high-resolution cameras, LiDAR, and 3D spatial sensors, it constantly builds a live model of its environment. Its AI mission control then reasons through this data to decide how best to complete its tasks. This makes AEON uniquely capable of navigating complex, changing environments with minimal human intervention. What's powering AEON behind the scenes? At its core, AEON is a data-driven machine. Hexagon has infused it with decades of expertise in precision measurement. Its sensor fusion engine pulls together data from cameras, proximity sensors, and other sources to create a unified, detailed view of its surroundings. All this intelligence is coordinated by AI models trained using both real-world and synthetic data. Hexagon's engineers use NVIDIA's Isaac Sim, built on the Omniverse platform, to test and refine AEON's behaviors in simulation before real-world deployment. Reinforcement learning accelerates this process, helping AEON learn core skills like locomotion and manipulation in record time. For computing, AEON currently runs on NVIDIA's Jetson Orin, with plans to migrate to IGX Thor. This setup allows AEON to process sensor data, make decisions, and act autonomously in real time, even in complex industrial settings. Real-world jobs AEON is built for. AEON isn't just for show, it's already being piloted in real-world environments. In manufacturing, AEON can take on tasks like machine tending, component assembly, and quality inspection. Its precision makes it particularly suited for industries like aerospace and automotive, where tight tolerances and high variability are the norm. In logistics, AEON can sort packages, move inventory, and scan entire facilities to create digital twins. These 3D models can then be used for tracking, planning, or remote collaboration, fitting seamlessly into Hexagon's HXDR platform and Reality Cloud Studio. AEON is also a powerful tool for operator support. Its onboard intelligence allows it to assist human workers in physically demanding or dangerous roles, all while operating safely in close proximity thanks to its real-time awareness and autonomous decision-making. Built for continuous operation, Unlike many robots that need long recharge cycles, AEON features a hot-swappable battery system. This allows it to operate continuously without extended downtime, a crucial feature in high-throughput industries where time literally is money. Integrated into the digital world. One of AEON's standout capabilities is its deep integration with the digital twin ecosystem. Its 3D scanning tools allow it to autonomously capture spaces and assets in extreme detail. These scans feed into platforms like Omniverse and HXDR, enabling real-time collaboration, advanced simulation, and streamlined operational planning. The data collected not only helps optimize the current environment but also improves AEON's own performance over time, creating a feedback loop where the robot gets smarter with every task it completes. Who's using AEON right now? AEON is currently in pilot programs with major industrial players like Skiffle and Pilatus. These companies are using the robot in scenarios ranging from assembly line support to autonomous environment scanning. Early feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with users praising AEON's ability to close labor gaps, increase consistency, and adapt quickly to real-world challenges. How AEON compares to other humanoids. AEON joins a growing list of humanoid robots making headlines. Boston Dynamics Atlas is famous for its dynamic agility and parker-like movements. Tesla's Optimus is focused on manufacturing support but is still in early development stages. Figure 02, from Figure AI, is gaining traction as a general-purpose humanoid designed for logistics and warehouse tasks. While each of these robots brings something unique to the table, AEON sets itself apart with its specific focus on precision industrial work, seamless digital twin integration, and simulation-first training pipeline. It's less about flashy movement and more about reliable, autonomous productivity in high-stakes environments. What's next for AEON? Hexagon isn't stopping at pilot projects. Once testing concludes, AEON will roll out commercially to factories, warehouses, and facilities around the world. The robot's open architecture and cloud integration will allow for constant upgrades, meaning AEON can continue to evolve as industries change. Hexagon is positioning AEON not just as a robot, but as a long-term platform for transformation in industrial workflows. As Ola Roland, Hexagon's chairman of the board, puts it, AEON represents a state-of-the-art, industrially bespoke humanoid. It's a leap forward in our goal to help customers drive sustainable growth in the face of structural demographic changes. AEON is not just another addition to the growing list of humanoid robots, it's a purpose-built machine designed for the future of industrial work. With cutting-edge agility, real-time intelligence, and deep integration into digital workflows, AEON is poised to become a cornerstone of modern industry. As businesses grapple with labor shortages and rising efficiency demands, AEON offers a glimpse of a future where humans and robots collaborate seamlessly to drive progress. This isn't sci-fi anymore, it's happening right now.